how to fix this message was sent before this chat was secured on Messenger. Hey everyone, if you're seeing the message that says this message was sent before this chat was secured on Facebook Messenger, well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what it means and how to fix it properly. So, here with that, let's know what it means. So, if this appears on the messenger of your account, then this could mean that end-to-end encryption is enabled or the older messages were sent before encryption was turned on. And with that, messenger is just warning you that those messages aren't encrypted. And this is not an error, it's just a security notice. So here with that, let's move forward to the fixes. So here let's start with the fix number one, that is to start a new encrypted chat. So here simply open the Messenger app, and now here once you're inside the Messenger, then you can simply go to your chat, and there you can simply tap on new chat, and there you can simply select the person again, and there you can start chatting normally. A new message will be fully encrypted and the warning won't appear again on the newer chat as well. And with that, moving forward to the fix number two, that is to update the Messenger app. So here what you can do is just open the Play Store, and now here once you're inside, what you can do is simply search for the Messenger app. And there, if you see any update button, then you can simply update it to the latest version because the older version can show this message repeatedly. And with that, moving forward to the fix number three, that is to turn secure storage on. So here, simply open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside, then what you can do is just tap on the menu icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, then just tap on the setting section or setting option. And now here, once you are in the settings section, then what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can simply search for privacy and safety. So here, if you found that, just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside, simply scroll down, and there you'll see the option labeled as end-to-end encrypted chats. So there you can just tap on it, and there you can just tap on message storage, and there you can simply turn on this option that says save key in Google Drive, or you can either go back, and there you can just tap on security alerts, and there you can simply turn on the security alerts to know if your chat has been decrypted or not. So, when it occurs at that time, you can fix it properly. And with that, moving forward to the fix number four, that is to clear the cache. So, here, what you can do is just close the app completely. And after that, you can simply tap and hold on the Messenger app icon. And now, here from the pop up menu, just tap on App Info. And here, once you're inside the app settings, just tap on the Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, here from the pop up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But remember not to clear the data, only to clear the cache. And with that, moving forward to the fix number five, that is to reinstall the Messenger completely. So here, after doing all these fixes, if you're still facing the issues, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Messenger app. And here, once you're done uninstalling it, then what you can do is simply open the Play Store and reinstall the Messenger app from there. And once you're done installing it, then you can simply log in with your account again, and this will refresh the encryption settings as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.